You know what really pisses me the fuck off? When people just don't flush the toilet, especially after they take a shit. If they don't flush after they take a piss, it doesn't. Yeah, it kind of does piss me off, but not that bad. But when you take a shit and you don't flush, that really pisses me the fuck off. Nobody needs to see your shit. God, like, okay, I'm gonna tell you what happened today. So today I was coming out of my 4th hour class, going to my 5th hour class during passing periods. I had to take a huge piss. I had to pee so bad that, oh my god, I had to pee so fucking bad. I felt like my bladder was gonna explode, so I just went to the bathroom. Then all of a sudden I was deciding I kind of wanted to pee in private, like in the stalls and not the urinals, or whatever the hell they're called. And so when I went in there, I wanted to go into right when I went in there, I saw a huge, gigantic brown turd in the fucking toilet with toilet paper and kind of pee. It's like fucking really fucking flush the toilet. That's all I gotta say. Flush it. God. Seriously, it's nasty. Nobody wants to see your shit. Nobody wants to see your feces and shit. It's disgusting. Nobody wants to see that. And nobody wants to flush that toilet. Really. I didn't even bother going that toilet. I just went in the urinal. And with everybody staring at me peeing, I just wanted to pee in like a stall, you know, where I could kind of be private. But, and the other one I did not want to see because I was afraid that one would have poop too. So really, yeah. And you know, like seriously, people need to flush the goddamn toilet. They're like, you know, they don't even care. People don't even care. They just don't flush the toilet. It's like they're like, oh, I gotta take a shit. Oh, let me wipe my ass. And they put it in the toilet and shit. And they're like, ah, fuck it. I'm not gonna flush it. I'm too lazy to flush it. Or maybe they're trying to do a prank. Maybe trying to, you know, they just, oh, hey, I'm not gonna flush the toilet. I want people to see this. Oh, people won't know it's me, so I'm just not gonna flush the toilet. Oh, it's like seriously, it's not funny. Flush it. Nobody wants to see that. It's disgusting. God damn. I remember my parents used to always complain to me that I would never flush the toilet when I was younger. And I actually did it's just the toilet was so weird. We had a bad messed up toilet, that's why, but they would just blame me when the toilet was fucking messed up. Really, it was. It hasn't happened for a while now, but for a long time. Probably, the last time that happened was probably a long time ago, but really. Flush the goddamn toilet. No one wants to see that shit. It's not funny. It's disgusting. And people don't want to flush the toilet with the shit in it. They don't want to do that. And what if somebody else has to take a shit or a piss? They can't. I mean, I don't shit in school. I don't take... If I have to go... I only go number 1. If I have to go number 2, I don't go at school. I go at home. I don't like to do number 2 in public. I save that for home. No matter how bad I have to go. I hate going number 2, taking a shit in public. I really do. When I take a shit, I know this is too much information and weird, but I'm just telling you. I don't like to do that in public places like school or restaurants. First of all, you're sitting on a toilet where someone else went pooping. Second of all, when you're pooping in public, like, there are other people in the bathroom, they see you, or they see your feet, they know you're taking a shit, and they can hear you, they can hear the fart or the poop coming out of your ass, and they're like, oh, hey look, that guy's taking a shit, oh! They make fun of you when you take a shit. That's one of the reasons. It's embarrassing. I don't want people watching me take a shit. That's why I save it for home. I save it for home. And I flush the toilet after I do that. And so, yeah. But seriously, flush the goddamn toilet. Nobody wants to see that. It's not funny. Unless maybe the toilet was messed up, which I don't think was. All you need to do, or if you're too lazy, how would you be too lazy? All you're doing is pressing that. What, are you scared of the noise? Oh my god, I don't like the noise of the toilet! I'm not gonna flush! Fuck you, pussy! If you're literally scared of that, you're a fucking pussy. It's a fucking toilet noise, it doesn't scare me. Yeah, it may be loud, but who cares? It's not gonna hurt you, it's not gonna eat you. Fuck, that scared me. My mom, the keys on the table, if you heard that. But yeah. So yeah, that's all I have to say for this video. It was really nasty. Remember, there was 2 periods after I had lunch. Luckily, it wasn't the period I had after I had lunch, because that would have been, probably would have puked. But yeah, it was so nasty and shit. I don't want to see that again, fucking really. But yeah, see you later, guys. Until next time, it's your boy Steve, and see.